I'll be right back.
Pull off a strip of tape and write the squishy's name on it.
I brought some air-dry clay.
Great, white is perfect. Add color with a marker and knead the clay until it's an even color. Shape it like a butter squishy. And stick the labeled tape on top.
Lallaloo, look what I can do!
Amazing! Wrap it around our squishy. Wow, so soft. All done.
Here, Lolly. Great, I'll bring it to Jessie. Jessie, here you go.
Well, thank you.
And I'll set up the practice barriers meanwhile.
Oh, Lolly, thank you so much. Come on, sweetie, run. Look, Lolly, she's doing so great. My turn.
Yeehaw! Whoop, whoop, whoop.
We did it! Final round!
Bravo! Bravo!
Such a good girl. Time to hand out the awards. First place goes to the little pony. Bravo!
All right, I gotta go now. I love it! The walls are a bit plain, though.
Got it. How about a coloring page?
Oh, good idea. Do you have markers?
Of course. Here you go.
But those are regular ones. I want glitter markers. Now that's more like it.
I'll start. You help me out.
I'll add some pink. It's my favorite.
Almost done. Bright enough? Let's hang it on the wall.
Let's go. Looks perfect right here. I want rhinestones too.
I've got blue ones.
And I've got pink ones. It's gonna look amazing.
Yeah, now our house looks absolutely brilliant. Where did Lolly go?
My favorite glitter.
Hey, Lolly, we're not done yet.
Lallaloo, we urgently need to make something with glitter. I'm obsessed.
Okay, Lolly, I have an idea. Hold on tight, Lolly. We'll need regular tape. We peel off a strip
and cover it in glitter. Pass the brush.
Here. Spread the glitter all across the surface and seal it with another strip of tape. That's our first piece.
Wow, look at that sparkle.
We'll make a tabletop from it. Cutting it. And now we have two halves and tape them together. Make a few more pieces. Stick them together. It holds tight and fold into a box. Close the top and add a back panel. Trim the edges a little. Beautiful. Now we need legs.
Lallaloo! Lallaloo, check this out.
That looks great.
I made it myself.
Let's put the table on its legs.
I brought a mirror.
We decorate it with gems and voila! Our vanity table is done.
Oh, wow, it's gorgeous. Totally my style. Let's go. Time to set up my makeup. I'll have the best looks ever. This is just wow. Oh, where did you come from? Want some makeup too? Let's do it. Ta-da!
Lily, a surprise for you.
Oh, wait, what's this here? What am I supposed to do with it? I have an idea. Lallaloo, can you help us?
Of course. Here's a cool life hack. Cut a few pieces of nanotape and shape them into the base of a sofa.
What should I fill it with? I know. Where is it? It should be somewhere here.
Oops.
Wrong thing. But hey, subscribe. Oh, found it. Here's the perfect filling.
Great. Pour the Orbeez into a bowl and fill with water. Now we wait.
Okay, fine. Are we there yet?
Hey, Lolly, take a look.
Wow, they are so big. Finally, we did great.
Fill the sofa base with Orbeez. Make the other parts the same way and assemble the sofa. Add some legs, glue gems onto a silicone case, and set the sofa on top. Add pillows, and done.
Almost. I just have one little idea. Ta-da!
Yay! Oh, lights! So cool. We'll also decorate the walls with sequins and add some decor.
My home looks so different now, and the sofa is just slaying.
Hey, Lily, can I come in?
Come on in.
Whoa, the sofa is so soft.
Yeah.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Pillow fight!
Take that!
You asked for it.
Missed me.
Okay, I need to clean up a bit here. Phew, I think that's everything.
Wow, you got so messy, Jessie.
Seriously?
Save for yourself.
I really could use a wash. Let's make a bathtub out of a plastic container.
Doesn't look great.
We'll fix that right now. We'll need air-dry clay in different colors. Shape it into rolls. Twist them together and roll them out into a thinner layer. Cover our tub with it. Add a label and set the tub on legs made of butter squishies. We'll make the faucet from a straw. Attach it to the tub, trim off the extra, and add the knobs. What should we make the water out of?
I know, slime, of course.
Wow, great idea! Take out some blue slime, stretch it, knead it, and fill up the tub with it.
Wow, I love slime. It's so stretchy.
Yay!
Let's add some glitter, too.
Awesome! Jesse's bathtub is ready. Whoa, time for a bath. Let's get you changed first. There.
Yay!
Wow, this water feels amazing. Oh, this is so nice. Total relaxation. Yahoo! Lalaloop, could you scrub my back too, please? Of course, Jessie. Here's some more little ducks for you. So lovely. Time to hop out. Ah, I feel so refreshed.
I want a sparkly mystery dumpling so badly. But this one is so plain.
Don't stress, Lolly. I know how to fix it. Take the bayo bun and some glitter nail polish.
Oh, wow, I love glitter.
Coat the dumpling with polish and done. So what do you think?
Wow, just what I wanted.
Love squishies.
My little bayo bun. So soft. I think I could even sit on it. Oops, it's a bit small though.
Here, Lolly, a bigger squish for you.
Wow, that slaps. Okay, this one's for you, Luke. I already have my own poof here. Pure bliss.
Lolly, your house isn't finished yet.
Oh, wait, looks like Lily needs you over there.
Package for you. Knock, knock.
A package? Finally. Hurry. My Nido is here. What? But where's the Nido?
Don't worry, we'll make one right now. Peel off a piece of blue tape. Cross another strip over it and fold it into a cube. Coat it with nail polish and put it under the lamp. Once the polish is slightly set, add glitter powder and box it up. Go on, Lily, open it.
Oh, wow, my Nido stress toy. Exactly the one I was waiting for. Oh, cool.
Lily, we still need to finish your house.
One sec, Lalaloop. Just a minute. Oops. Such a funny video.
Lolly!
Cool.
Lolly!
What?
Time to put your things away.
Okay. That goes here. Done. Easy. I'm so awesome. Handled it best of all. Now, where was I?
No, Lolly, that won't do. You need a wardrobe.
Fine.
Come with me.
Yes!
Oh, wow, air dry clay. These are my favorite colors.
Let's use a box lid. So soft. Hand it here. Shape decorations from clay and dress up the wardrobe. Blue and pink are perfect.
Let's draw on it too. So cute.
Line the inside with a printout.
What can we use as a rod? Of course, a pencil.
Great idea, Lolly. Let's put it here.
Now we need some hangers.
Here's a little life hack.
Take a paper clip, bend it, trim. Super easy.
Hanger's done. And the whole wardrobe too. It came out really cute.
Chef's kiss.
Let's put it in the house, just like that.
It fits perfectly in here.
Time to put your clothes away, Lolly.
On it. 1 second. Ta-da! Lalaloop, check out my new look. Okay, now everything's in its place.
Well done, Lolly. You did great.
Okay, it does look better like this. Oh, I'm kinda hungry.
Just 1 minute. We'll need plain paper and colorful markers. I have loads of them, but we'll use blue. Color one sheet completely, then a second one. Fold each in half and cut them in two. Draw fold lines on each piece. Tape will help us. Tape each sheet for extra stiffness and fold it into a box. Fill it with polyester stuffing. How cool! Make a few of these and stack them into a fridge. Add a shelf inside and close the door. Add some feet and there's our squishy fridge. Time to fill it with food. Juice, cheese snack, bananas, and milk. Super! Here, Lily. Nido will complete the house.
Food! Yay! I'm so hungry. Wow, everything I love is in here. So yummy. Oh, some cheese, too. This is just perfect.
I'm getting so sleepy. Have some cocoa. Oh, thanks, Lallaloo. I'll just lie down right here. Don't lay on the floor, lie on the couch. But it's so uncomfortable here.
I brought you a butter squishy.
Thanks, Lolly. Oops. So where should I lie down?
Lallaloo, Jessie really needs a bed.
We'll take care of it right now. All right, we've got a few butter squishies here.
And also some styrofoam.
Great. Build a bed frame out of the styrofoam. Cover it in rainbow paper and lay the squishies on top. Add a headboard and cover it with a fluffy blanket.
But it's way too big.
We'll just trim it down. And our bed is ready.
Yay, I'll go get Jessie. Here's your bed.
Wow, so beautiful. Thank you. Sweet dreams, sweetie. So comfy. Now Jessie has a place to rest. And that's the rainbow butter squishy house we made, with a cozy couch, a gorgeous bathtub, and an amazing bed.
Wow, so many views. Phew, I'm kind of tired. But where do I lie down? I'll try it here. It's so hard. Not for relaxing at all.
Hold on, Lolly. I've got you. We need a balloon and some paper. Roll a sheet into a funnel and slip the balloon over. Pour in flour and tie it off. Cut the excess. Make a whole bunch of these. Now take a bowl of water. What a cute design! Pour in some fabric softener and dip all the balloons in. This makes them sticky. Dab off the water with a cloth and arrange the balloons into a sofa shape. It turned out to be a unique designer sofa. Lolly, look!
Wow, it's so cool and so squishy. It's okay, come here. We can fix this. What can I use to patch it up?
Try tape.
Oh, right. It worked. Now it's my signature design.
Nice work, Lolly. Don't worry, we'll make something for you right now. Cut the excess. And let's put balloon stretch guards on Lou.
The sofa is safe now. I feel so tired.
Lily seems to have fallen asleep too. All right, let's go craft. We need 2 big sponges, trimming them to the same size, and some slime. We don't have any. What should we do? Let's make it ourselves. Taking a handy bowl, pour liquid glue into a bowl. Very satisfying. Adding some baking soda to start the reaction. Mix everything thoroughly, and we'll add some glue dye for a rich color. Mix it again to the right consistency, and continue kneading the slime with our hands. I want to add some glitter.
What's Lallaloo making? Oh, wow, slime! I absolutely love slime. It just needs one thing, though. Glitter, obviously.
And here's the... Oh, someone already added glitter. Perfect. Mix everything well and shape the slime into a mattress, covering the entire surface with slime. Wrap it in cling film and add a headboard. We've got a little slime left. Let's make a pillow. Wrapping it in plastic wrap and closing all the edges well, giving it a pillow shape. And done! It turned out so cozy. Let's put the bed right here. Hang some fairy lights. Let's add some sparkle. So much cozier now. Lily, let's put you in a comfortable bed. Sweet dreams, Lily. Oh, she looks cold. Oh, she's shivering all over. Oh, good thinking, Lou. We'll make a slime blanket. Spread it on the film. Trim the edges and wrap it up. Now Lily definitely won't get cold. We'll cover the little legs too. And there you have it. Lily's house and Lolly's house all done. Neato style for Lily. And mystery dumpling style for Lolly. Write in the comments which house you liked more. Bye-bye!